So you have, on my chart, it says when you called in, you said you had some blurry vision. Blurry vision. Okay. Yeah, let's get that checked out for you. Today we're going to do a full eye exam, so I will be using colorblind techniques and different stuff to see what's going on with your eyesight. Alright, well, I'm gonna put on some gloves now, okay? And we'll get started. Do you have a preference? Blue or white? Okay, I'm gonna go with the white ones. I'm gonna go with the white gloves. This might feel a little bit invasive, okay? I'm just warning you, okay? Okay, I'm gonna press down right here on your cheek. Press down right there on your cheek. And press down right here on your cheek, okay? Under your eye socket. Alright, okay. Alright, now I'm gonna cover your right eye. Can you see me over here? Good. I'm gonna cover your left eye. Can you see me over here? Good. Alright. So that's good. Okay. Now I'm going to shine a light. I'm going to shine a light. Good. Very good. Let me know. Let me know when the light comes in the frame, okay? Good. Very good. Good. Very good. We're going to do it on the left side. Okay. Good. Very good. Good. Very good. Now we're going to do it on the left side. Good. Very good. Good. Very good. And the bottom. We're going to come from the bottom. Okay. Let me know when you see the light. Let me know when you see the light. Good. Very good. Good. Very good. And from the top. From the top. From the top. Good. Very good. Good. Very good. All right. Perfect. Okay. I'm going to cover your right eye with this. Tell me how many fingers I have up, okay? Good, very good. And now, good, very good. And one more. Good, very good. And this side, do the same thing. Good, very good. Good, very good. Good. This light is going to be a little bit brighter, but we're going to do the same thing, okay? We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to cover your left eye, and I'm going to come out the light. Let me know. Good, very good. Good. And this side, the bright light. Good. Good. Alright, now we're going to do some peripheral vision, okay? Let me know when you see my fingers come in the frame, okay? Let me know when you see my fingers come in. Good. Good. And Okay, just for the fun. Good. E, very good. And this one. F. And this one. B, very good. And this. D, nice. And this letter right here. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna make it a little more challenging, okay? What is this letter? Oh, good job, okay. And right here. Good. And down here. No, that's not an R, that's a P. It's starting to look to me that you need a new prescription for your eyes. Yeah. Before we get into that, I'm gonna test you for color blindness, okay? Okay. I'm gonna cover this eye completely. Cover this eye completely, okay? Look at my nose, look at my nose. Let me know when you see my finger come in. Good. And I'm gonna cover this side. Let me know when you see my finger come in, okay? Let me know when you see my finger come in, okay? Good. And the bottom. Let me know when you see my finger come in, okay? Good. Good, very good. And on top. Let me know when you see my finger from the bottom, okay? Good. Alright. This part might tickle a little bit, okay? It might tickle a little bit, but I got some gauze here. And I'm going to put this in the corner of your left eye, corner of your left eye. Good. In the corner of your right eye. Let me know when you feel. Good. Alright. Alright, I want you to look at my nose, alright? Look at my nose, look at my nose, look at my nose. Look at my nose, look at my nose. Good. Now I'm going to test your color blindness, okay? What is that? Do you see the number? Do you see the number? You don't. Okay. It's a 7. 7. Okay. Alright. It looks to me that we need to up your prescription, your current prescription. Yeah. So I'm going to write you a doctor's note for that. And before we leave, let me know when you see my 2 fingers, okay? Good. Keep looking at my nose, okay? Look at my nose and let me know when you see my fingers come in. Good. And up top. Good. And one at a time. Good. And good. Okay, I'm gonna step a little farther back now, okay? Just a little farther back. Okay, ready? Let me know when you see my fingers, okay? Good. And up top. Good. Okay. Now the last thing I'm going to do is gently open up your eye. Gently open your eye so I can see. Alright. Okay. Gently open up your eye so I can look in. And this one. Good. Don't look at the light. Don't look at the light. I'm seeing if I see any unfamiliarities. Okay. I have one more thing for you, okay? I'm gonna press under your eyes. Let me know if you feel any pain, okay? Do you feel any pain? Do you feel any pain? No. And right here, do you feel any pain? No, you don't. Okay, how about right here? Do you feel any pain? Do you feel any pain? No? Okay. I'm going to touch the top of your eyeball now, okay? Do you feel that on your eyelid? No? And here I'm going to press down. Okay, you feel a little bit of pain there. Okay, you might have a sty. Yeah, that's really common, but that's nothing to worry about, don't worry. Okay, I'm going to write that down. soft dye. Okay. Okay, I want you to look at my nose. Look at my nose, look at my nose, look at my nose, okay? Let me know when you see the light come in. Good. And keep looking at my nose. Good. And from the bottom, keep looking at my nose, keep looking at my nose. Good. And from the top, look at my nose, look at my nose. Good. Very good. Alright. There was a little bit of a delay there. But all in all, I think that you have pretty good vision. You just need your prescription changed. Yeah. Alright. Do you game a lot? Do you play video games? Do you have a lot of screen time? Okay. Well, I would recommend getting some blue light glasses. You don't want to damage those eyes. No, definitely not. Okay. I also sense that you might be a little bit colorblind. Yeah. You mix up your reds. Yeah. Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna write this out for you and I'll be right back, okay? Alright, well, your visit is over. I hope you got all the answers you needed, okay? Awesome. Alright, I'm so glad. So